Is that Wuzzle Wegg for me, True? It is, isn't it? Huh? It is. You know my favorite color is blue, right? No, wait, it's yellow.
No peeking, Bartleby. You can't see your Wuzzle Wegg until it's finished. Wuzzle Wegg Day rules. Don't you have a Wegg to decorate?
Of course I do. I just, haven't started yet.
Galloping green, Bartleby. It can take time to get a Wuzzle Wegg decorated just so.
Why do we give painted Weggs on Wuzzle Wegg Day anyway?
You mean you've never heard the story of the Wuzzle Bun?
A Wuzzle Bun? Sounds cuddly. Like Wuzzy Wuzzy Woo.
Oh, yes. They were cuddly and magical. You see, a long time ago, Wuzzle Buns roamed free in the Many Colors meadow. A Wuzzle Bun used its magic to turn ordinary Weggs into magical Wuzzle Weggs, filled with special treats.
What kind of treats?
All kinds of wonderful things the Rainbow Kingdom never had before. Grabble apples, marshmallows.
And were there fishy poofs?
Fishy poofs? Yes, I'm sure that's where fishy poofs came from, Bartleby.
But where did all the Wuzzle Buns go?
No one has seen a Wuzzle Bun in 1,003,072 years. But we still decorate pretend Wuzzle Weggs and give them to our friends on Wuzzle Wegg Day to celebrate the magic of the Wuzzle Buns.
This year, I'm gonna give you the prettiest, most awesome Wuzzle Wegg you've ever seen, True. But first, I have to find it.
Good luck, Bee!